Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm continuing my Rainbow High Series 3 reviews. I already showed you my Daphne Minton and Georgia Bloom doll. And by high demand, today I'm looking at Emmy. If you like these Rainbow High videos, please give this video a thumbs up already and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on my videos. Also leave a comment down below to let me know which Rainbow High doll I should review next. Today, I'm gonna be taking a look at Emi Vanda. As always with these dolls, they come in these really nicely done boxes, in which you can clearly see the doll and the second outfit and shoes. For Series 3, I've really needed these clear boxes, because some of the dolls I've tried ordering online had some serious painting issues. So I actually ended up getting most of the Series 3 dolls in stores, so I'd be able to pick the best one. What I've noticed on the different Emmy dolls is that the rooting pattern of Emmy's hair was different on each doll. Some of them had the full hairline in that purple color, and others had the entire hairline in burgundy highlights. I personally preferred the ones where the two shades were pretty well mixed, with a bit more of the highlight around the ears and very top, because I thought that would give the best color blend. As always, the box says Rainbow High on the front, collect the rainbow on the top, and it tells you that this doll is indeed from Series 3, and it's Emi Vanda. On the bottom of the box, it shows you the characters in this series. What I really appreciated on Georgia's box was that the colors matched up with the characters perfectly, and on this box that's not the case, because you can see Daria in yellow even though she's the pink doll. All the other girls have mismatched colors too, except Emmy herself. On the back of the box it shows you the full artwork of the girls, and as always it says Welcome to Rainbow High, the colorful art school full of bold fashions and even bolder drama. So now, I'm just gonna unbox this doll. What I actually forgot to point out is that on one side, right where my finger is, you can see that they added this little emblem telling you that Emmy is a visual arts focus. In the back of the box, you can find the purple doll stand and clothing hangers that Emmy comes with. And there are also some instructions in this bag. These are pretty similar to the instructions that came with Ted Dawson, that explain how to tie that second pair of shoes, that are attached with some ribbons. You can also take that second outfit, and from the back you can also take out that doll from the inside of the box, so you can carefully cut the doll away from the packaging. In this step, I'm being really careful not to cut any of the doll's hair. Right out of the box, Emmy does not have any product in her hair, which is a big improvement for these Rainbow High dolls. As you can see, this one strand was boxed to the side, but the doll is actually supposed to wear her hair in a middle part, so I'm just splitting that to the correct side to make it look as good as possible. Right away, the hair is very soft and product free. It does look a little messy, but that's nothing that a quick hair wash can't fix. As I mentioned, the hair is made out of these two colors of hair, with this lilac color and that burgundy color that is mainly used in the hairline and in the back hairline too, as well as in the parting. For her makeup, Emmy has these really chunky brown eyebrows, a really pretty eye shape and color with a very light blue and purple mixture that I think matches her hair absolutely perfectly. Her eye makeup is an ombre effect that matches the hair color as well, going from that more lilac purple shade to the burgundy, and then her lips are a purple color, with that darker lip liner around them. This specific Emmy doll has perfectly painted lips, which I carefully selected in stores. Emmy also comes with pierced ears, but does not have any earrings. For her sweater, it might be the most controversial outfit piece of the entire Series 3 over on Instagram, because all these details are embroidered. For me personally, I'm not fully against it, besides the fact that I would have liked to have that purse be an actual accessory, and I would have preferred for the sweater to be a simple black hoodie. I do appreciate the zipper details around the elbow, and the fact that it has a hood. Emmy also wears this burgundy skirt that is pleated really nicely. And she pairs that with these extremely high boots that look pretty similar to the high boots we've seen before on Poppy, Amaya, and Avery. What makes these ones unique is that string on the top to tighten them. What I am very curious and nervous about, which I've also seen on Instagram a lot, is the staining of this sweater. And as you can see, mine also had quite a bad stain on her underarm. On camera it honestly doesn't look too bad, but there are some very noticeable stains in real life. So that is something you might want to keep in mind. After that, I quickly redressed the doll in an outfit I don't mind getting wet, and fully brush out the hair. Then I rinse everything out, trying to keep the part as neat as possible. But if yours doesn't stay perfect during this process, I will link my thatching tutorial in the iCards, so you can find out how to fix your doll part lines if you need to. Since this doll did not have any gel in the hair to begin with, her original hair was very pretty already, but because mine had that one strand in the hairline that went the wrong way, I am going to pour some hot water over it to set that part in place nicely. I'm not going for perfectly straight hair though, and I don't really want to damage the ends of the hair, so I'm not doing this with boiling water, but I have let this cool off quite a bit before pouring it over the hair. This way I was able to nicely set the part in place without losing all the original wave in the hair. And then we also have that second outfit and shoes to look at. These heels really remind me of the Jet Dawson shoes, with those RH letters for the heels, and those ribbon details to strap around the ankles. That purple ribbon actually has black letters printed on it, spelling out rainbow, which I think is a really cool added detail. They also come with these little white socks that have moon shapes on them. As for my restyle for Emmy, I added 2 small braids in the front, including some small golden rings, similar to the way I added them to Crystal's box braids in her lookbook. This second outfit definitely wins for me compared to the first one, with that purple top and black skirt combination. I am, however, not the biggest fan of the way the shoes look with the socks on. Another thing I do really like is the fact that this sweater is actually made out of 2 separate pieces, with that short-sleeved sweater layered over this long-sleeved crop top that also looks great when you wear it separately. That honestly gives you so many fun ways to mix and match, which I'm already so excited about. If you're excited to see more of my Rainbow High Series 3 dolls on my channel, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on any new videos I post. Also, let me know in the comments which Series 3 doll I should review next, and if I should create lookbooks for them already. Then to see more pictures of my doll restyles, also follow me on Instagram too, @thedollboy. See you next time!